Module 2, Card Operations, Section 3, Inserting Record into a Table. So in this section, we will be learning how to insert records into a table. Before that, let me summarize Section 2. In Section 2, we learn how to create a table, and we created a AMP info table in the ABC database. Now in this section, we will learn how to insert the information into this AMP info table. Let's suppose I want to insert these 5 records of the employees into this AMP info table. So that I can do using insert command in the SQL. The syntax of insert command is insert into, here you will provide your table name, then list of columns, values, and here the values for these columns, and at the end you will provide semicolon. So let's suppose I want to add this first record into this table. Okay, then I will give like this, insert into amp info, column name like this, then value under bracket. Then let's suppose if I want to insert all the records at once with single statement. So for that I can write my SQL insert statement like this. First of all, column list, then I will provide the employee details in the values inside the brackets like this, like value for first employee, second employee, like this I will provide. So in our case, if I want to add these all the record four employee records together, then I can write like this. First of all, I will provide column list, amp number, first name, last name, state, country, then their values, and then I will, at the end I will give a semicolon. Okay, so my all these four records will get inserted at once. Now uh, if we want to provide value for all the column, then it is not necessary to write this column list. We can straightforward like our write our insert command like this, insert into table, then straightforward I will write value. No need to write column names. Okay, but in that we need to make sure that the column sequence should be correct, and it should be as per the schema of the amp info table. If we give provide column information in wrong column values in wrong order, then it will throw error. So if you are sure that you are providing the column values in correct order, then you can use this syntax. Okay, so this is all about the insert command, various format of insert command. Let's run these commands into the uh, SQL workbench. So there, let me write the query in the new tab. So first of all, let's make sure ABC database is active. Okay, and there let us confirm whether amp info table is there or not. So I am writing as ABC tables, then show table. So it will showing me amp info table is present there. Okay, let's check the structure of the table. Describe amp info. So these commands we already learned in the previous sections, so I'm not going into the detail. So see, this is the structure of the table. Now let's check whether now let's insert the record into the table. So insert into, this is the syntax. Okay, then table name amp info, and then I will write the column list in the bracket, then values in the other bracket, like this I will write. So here I will provide column values, and here I will provide values for the each column. So in order to save time, let me copy from here, where I have written here in the document. So this is the command to insert the record. Okay, so I am writing it as it is. See, insert. So in first bracket I have provided the column details, and in the second bracket I have provided the values. Okay, so I am inserting it. Okay, so this one row affected, one row is uh, added in the table. Now suppose I want to add multiple records into the table. So for that I can use this format. So as per this format, I should provide the information in the various brackets like this. Okay, I am copying it here, and this is the command. You can insert multiple rows into a table. Insert into amp info column list, then values you are providing in the round bracket. Then once in the for the last value you should provide the semicolon. Okay, so let's execute this statement. I am putting the cursor in the current statement, or we can select the whole query as well. Like this also we can execute, then running it. So this time it's giving me 4 row inserted. We have inserted the 4 more records into the table. Okay, so whatever row we will give over here, that will be displayed in the output window. In first command we have inserted only one record, so it's giving me 1 row affected. In the second command I have inserted multiple rows, so it's giving the message 4 rows affected. Right now, suppose sometimes if I can another shortcut method to insert values into the table is, you can directly give like this: insert into, if you are sure about the order of the values matching the columns of the table, then you can give like this: show into amp info, then values you can give like this. Let's suppose I am here entering 6 number. Okay, and I am writing my name here. Okay, then this last name is this, then here, then state Delhi, country India. Okay, so I can provide value like this as well, but in this case I should make sure that order is correct. Suppose here instead of 6, if I give here, let's suppose by mistake I gave XYZ. Okay, could something wrong over here, or I suppose I type state over here, right? And here I write uh, employee number, then it will throw error because order is not matching. See, it's giving error correct integer value. Okay, so order should be correct. So here I am giving again. So this is also you, this is how you can insert records quickly. Here also you can, by this method also you can provide multiple row. See, it's giving 1 row affected. Okay, Spo- so this is another. Suppose sometime you need to enter only a specific column detail. So i- for that you can give insert command like this: insert into amp info. Suppose I want to enter values only for state and country, so I can give like this. First of all I will provide column list state, then country. Suppose I want to enter these details only, then values. So in that way you can insert partial information as well. Okay, let's suppose I am entering Chennai, India. So this is how you can provide partial information into the table. See, so only detail for these two columns, state and country, will be added into the table amp info, not all the information. So this is all about inserting the records into the table. uh, in the next section we will learn how to retrieve information from the table. So in this section we learn how to uh, add employee records into the table, how to insert the record into the table using insert command. In the next section, that is section 4, we will be learning how to read information from the existing table. So that we do using select command. So that topic we will discuss in detail in the next section. You till then you practice this and let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you. Bye bye.